Yes, Mat.
Hare Krishna. So welcome back, kids. So let us start the session with Guru Pranam. Hare Krishna. So all of you, fold your hands, close your eyes. You can recite along with me. Guru Pranam. Hare Krishna. Om Ajnana Timirandasya Jnana Shalakaya Chakshur Unmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Preshtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamin Iti Namine Namaste Saraswate Devi Gauravani Pracharini Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadara Srivasadi Gauravakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna. So today what are we going to see? We'll see a prayer, one of Kunti's prayers. Kunti Devi, you know who is Kunti Devi? Kunti
Mother
Maharani.
of Pandavas.
Yes, mother of Pandavas, Kunti Maharani. There are so many prayers in Srimad Bhagavatam. Srimad Bhagavatam contains all pastimes and stories about Krishna's devotees. So in that there are many prayers, and this is a very easy and simple prayer. Just 4 lines.
I know there are 4.
You know this prayer, very good. Okay. So all the kids will learn the Kunti's prayer today. Instead of Bhagavad Gita, for a change, we'll start with Srimad Bhagavatam prayer, small prayer. That will be followed by a story. And we also have a rhymes. Rhymes is about the Asura, Vyomasura. And we will also see a movie on Vyomasura. So first, let us start with the prayer.
Mataji, I know the 4 important prayers, but I don't know the 4th prayer.
Yes? Yes, Riyansh?
Mataji, I don't know this prayer.
Oh, you don't know that it is prayer. Okay. Now you can learn it. Riyansh, if possible, you can switch on your video. Okay, so that you can also see. So this is very simple prayer. You all can daily say before Krishna also. Okay. Shall we start?
Mataji, your screen. There was blur. The screen has blurry. Yes, Mataji. Very blurry.
Hare Krishna. Yes.
Now, okay, Mataji.
Okay. Okay, now we'll start. Word by word. It is very simple. First, let us all say 3 times Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Whenever we start reciting Srimad Bhagavatam, we have to offer our prayers to Krishna. Okay. So fold your hands. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Yes, you can unmute and say.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
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 Yes, saying this, we'll start the prayers. Krishnaya
Krishnaya
Vasudevaya
Vasudevaya
Devaki Nandanaya cha
Devaki Nandanaya cha
Nandagopa
Nandagopa
Kumaraya
Tamataya
Kumaraya Govindaya
Govindaya
Namo Namaha.
Namo Namaha.
We'll recite line by line. Krishnaya Vasudevaya
Krishnaya Vasudevaya
Devaki Nandanaya cha
Devaki Nandanaya cha.
Nanda Gopa Kumaraya
Nandagopakumaraya.
Govindaya Namo Namaha.
Govindaya namo namaha.
One more time. Krishnaya Vasudevaya
Krishnaya Vasudevaya.
Devaki Nandanaya cha.
Devaki Nandanaya.
Nanda Gopa Kumaraya
Nandagopakumaraya.
Govindaya Namo Namaha.
Govindaya namo namaha.
Yes. Is it easy? You can all recite now. So let us
Yes,
see the
ma'am.
word by word meaning.
Mataji.
Krishna. Okay, you can just listen to what I am saying. Krishnaya, the Supreme Lord.
Krishnaya.
Vasudevaya, unto the son of Vasudeva.
Vasudevaya.
Means son of Vasudeva. So Krishna's father name is Vasudeva. Then Devaki Nandanaya means son of Devaki. Son of Devaki. So who is Krishna's father and mother? You all know? Vasudeva and Devaki. So it is said Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya cha. Then Nanda Gopa. Nanda Gopa means Nanda and the cowherd men.
Krishna father is
Hare Krishna. Yes, you listen kids. Nanda Gopa. Nanda and the cowherd men. Nanda Gopa Kumaraya. Kumaraya means cowherd. Nanda Gopa Kumaraya. And to their son. Then Govindaya. Govindaya is also the name of Krishna and to the personality of God. Govindaya means who enlivens the cows and the senses. Go means go has two meanings. Go means senses also and go means cow also. So he is the controller of senses and he is the controller of cows also. So Krishna is also called Govindaya. Namaha means respectful obeisances. We offer our pranams. Namo Namaha. Namaha means obeisances. So we are offering our pranams to Krishna. So can we all recite together once? First I'll recite, then you can recite. First, just listen to what I recite, then second time you all can recite. Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya cha Nanda Gopa Kumaraya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Yes, now you can recite together. Krishnaya Vasudevaya
Krishnaya Vasudevaya.
Devaki Nandanaya cha
Devaki Nandanaya.
Nanda Gopa Kumaraya Govindaya Namo Namaha.
Govindaya Namo Namaha.
Yes, the translation is let me therefore Hare Krishna. Yes, you are able to see the screen?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. The translation is let me therefore offer my respectful obeisances unto the Lord who has become the son of Vasudeva, the pleasure of Devaki, the boy of Nanda and the other cowherd men of Vrindavana, and the enlivener of the cow and the senses. See, you can see the picture here. Are you able to see? Kunti Maharani is saying to Krishna. Krishna is about to leave. After the Mahabharata war is over, the Pandavas won the war. You know the story? Who won the war? Kurukshetra. Mahabharata is taking place, no? The war, big war is taking place between Pandavas and Kauravas. Who won the war? Pandavas. Why? How did Pandavas win the war? Because Krishna was in their side. So after the Mahabharata war was over, Krishna is going back to his hometown. Which is his hometown? Dwaraka. Dwaraka Desh is where Krishna rules. So Krishna is going back. When he goes back, Kunti Maharani is requesting him to stay back for few more days. At that time, he is offering her prayers. It is a very lengthy sloka. There are many slokas. I have just taken one small sloka which is easy for you to repeat. Will you all repeat this daily? Can you write it down and note it? In the next class, you have to recite. Okay? So it is
Yes,
very simple and it is very easy. So you can do it. Krishna will be very pleased.
Screen
Yes.
is blurred.
Again, it is blurred.
Yes, ma'am.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji.
Is it okay now?
Yes, now okay, Mataji.
Hare Bol, Hare Krishna. So this is one of the verses from Srimad Bhagavatam. So next, what we are going to see?
1 second.
Hare Krishna. Yes, you want the screen, Pratyusha? You want it? Yes. You want to write it?
Yes,
I will share it. I will share it in the group also. We'll
Okay.
share it in the group. Because you can just note down the sloka number. First canto, 8th chapter, 21st verse, 1.8.21. It is in Srimad Bhagavatam. Okay. 1.8.21. That verse you can note. I will share it in the group also.
Okay.
Hare Krishna. So let us all chant Hare Krishna together. How many of you are chanting regularly? Yes.
Me.
Who is it?
I chant.
Preyavyas. How many malas you chant? 1.
4.
4 malas. Preyavyas chanting 4 malas. And you're also doing Tulasi Arti, right? You have shared your
Yeah.
photo. Yes, very nice. Yes, any
Mataji,
other?
half mala.
Why is it half mala? Yashika, why half mala? You can chant full mala, na? 108 beats,
50.
108
I
times.
do Tulsi every day.
You start with 108. Yes. Start with 108 times. Okay, 1 mala. Yashika, you can do 1 mala. Will you start from today? Yashika?
Okay, Mataji.
Yes. The more you chant, the more you will be happy. What Prabhupada says, chant and be happy. You can feel the difference. Once you start chanting, you can feel the difference. Okay? Yes, Nandita, you chant? No. You can start chanting. You know how to chant? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Mataji, I know.
Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is one time. Like this, you have to do 108 times on the beads. You have beads. See, I'll show you my beads. See, this is the beads we have. You can see the beads.
Mataji,
This is Tulsi bead. You have to chant like this. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Then you have to turn it. You have to go to the next bead and you have to chant. This way you have to chant on each bead till this mala contains 108 beads. So until the 108 is over, you have to chant. Yes.
I have. मैं माताजी मैं
Yes.
कभी कभी
Counter.
काउंटर से करती हूँ.
Yes, counter is also okay. It is best to chant on beads. If not, you can do it on the counter. Okay.
Mataji, but I don't have the beads.
Okay, you can do it in your hand. You can just count 108 and you can do it.
I have
Yes.
beads bag.
You have beads bag. Yes, see, Freya Vyas is showing her bead bag. Guru Sai, you chant?
Mataji, I'll start from today.
Very good. Hari Bol. Hari Bol. Samiksha, you chant? Hare Krishna. You chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra? Samiksha? I'm not able to hear you. No. Okay, you can start chanting. You'd like to chant?
Yes.
Yes, daily morning when you get up, it will take maximum 10 minutes. To chant 108 times, it will take only 10 minutes. You can just start with 1 mala. Aditya, you chant? Hare Krishna. Okay. Riyansh, are you there? I'm not seeing you. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, how many rounds you chant, Riyansh?
4 rounds.
4 rounds. Hari Bol. Yes. So I request all the kids to start chanting. Whoever is not chanting, you can just start your chanting. Okay. Hare Krishna. Okay. Now shall we go and see a story?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Hare Krishna. The story today is a life-changing incident from the life of Arjunacharya. This is one of the story which Prabhupada usually says during his lecture.
Mataji, I know the story of Arjunacharya.
You know the story, yes. Okay, you can revise it. You can see it again. Okay.
Yes, Mataji, I like that story very much. I want to hear it many times.
Very good. Haribol. This is how you have to be. Enthusiastically, you have to listen to the story. So this is a life-changing. You're able to see my screen?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. So a life-changing incident from the life of Arjunacharya. Arjunacharya was a great devotee. So he used to write commentaries on Bhagavad Gita. So this is a story. It's a small incident from his life. So Arjunacharya was writing a commentary on Bhagavad Gita. When the sloka where Lord Krishna says, he protects what we have and provides what we lack appeared, Arjunacharya wondered. There is one sloka in Bhagavad Gita which says, Krishna is speaking those words. He says, I will protect whatever the devotee has and I will provide whatever he lacks. That is, whatever we don't have, Krishna himself, he comes and gives. That is the meaning. Hare Krishna. Yes. See, there is a sloka which says, I will protect whatever you have and I will come and deliver to you whatever you don't have. Like this, a sloka is coming. Are you able to understand?
Yes, Mataji.
What I am saying?
Yes, Mataji.
Krishna is saying in one sloka that I will give you, I will protect whatever devotee has, I will protect. And whatever he doesn't have, I will come and deliver. That is what Krishna is saying. Now, based on this, Arjunacharya is wondering. He is thinking, how come Krishna will come? Like that he is thinking. Well, Lord won't come himself. He may send what we need through his agents. This is what he thinks. Arjunacharya is thinking, Krishna says that I will come and I will deliver. How Krishna will come and deliver? He will not come. He thinks like that. Lord will not come himself. He may send somebody and he will give us whatever we need. This is what he is thinking. So what he does, he changes those words. He writes, he cuts off the line and he is changing it. What he is changing? Let me change his words. See, it is Krishna's words. Bhagavad Gita, whose words it is? Who is speaking Bhagavad Gita?
Krishna.
Krishna is speaking to Arjuna.
Krishna.
So, Krishna. So it is all Krishna's words. That is why Prabhupada has given Bhagavad Gita as it is. We should not change the meaning or anything. Whatever is told by Krishna, we have to understand as it is. Prabhupada is explaining us all those verses. So here Arjunacharya is thinking that let me change the words. From what he changes, I bear the burden and deliver. This is what Krishna says. Krishna says, I will bear the burden and I will deliver. Bear the burden means he will carry everything himself and he will come and deliver. Instead, he is cutting off those lines, Arjunacharya, and he writes, I send some agent who delivers. So he is changing the words. Is it right to change?
No.
No.
No,
But
Mataji, we should not change the lines.
Yes, but Arjunacharya thinks Krishna will not come himself, so he will, but he knows that he will deliver. So he says, I send some agent who delivers. He is cutting that line and he is writing this and then he goes off. I shall go. After some time, I shall go and take bath now. So he is writing the commentary. In between, he is changing. Then he goes off to take bath. Now what happens? In the meantime, two very beautiful boys came with a cart full of highly valuable items like fruits, grains, ghee and vegetables. Now Yamunacharya is living in a small hut. He has gone for taking bath. He just changed the line and he went to take bath. In the meantime, two boys, they are coming with all a full cart full of fruits, grains, ghee, vegetables, everything they are bringing. Two beautiful boys they are bringing to Yamunacharya's house. Arjunacharya's wife is at home. So she is at home. So these two boys, they are very beautiful. They say, my dear mother, Arjunacharya has sent these goods for you. Please take delivery. So these boys are giving these goods to Arjunacharya's wife. And they say, please take delivery. Acharya asked you to carry so much burden. I can't believe he can do this. So she feels such small boys, they have come themselves carrying so much of load. So she feels very pitifully. She asked, Acharya has asked you to carry. I can't believe he can do this. She feels, no, Acharya would not have told these small boys to bring so much of burden. But anyhow, she accepts it. These boys are saying that Arjunacharya has, Hare Krishna.
Ma'am, it's again blur. Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Is it okay? So Acharya asked to carry so much burden. I can't believe he can do this. So she is not able to believe that these small boys have carried so much of burden. So you're able to see the screen now? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. So the boys are saying
Yes,
the boys are saying he wanted us to carry the stuff on our head. We said it is too heavy. These boys are saying Arjunacharya told us to carry it on our head. We said it is too heavy. I refuse to carry these items on my head, so he has beaten me. See, first Arjunacharya wife doesn't believe that Arjunacharya has told these boys to carry these things. And above that, these boys are saying that we refuse to carry. He asked us to carry on our head. We said it is very heavy. So I said I will not carry. But see what Acharya has done. See, you can see the lines on the back. I refuse to carry these items, so he has beaten me. Arjunacharya would have done this? Do you think he would have done this? No. So some Leela is going on. Krishna is performing some Leela. We will see what it is. Yes. So this boy is showing his back that Arjunacharya has bet me. See the lines on my back. He is showing to Arjunacharya's wife. She is not able to believe. Oh, Arjunacharya is not so cruel. Why did he do such a thing? She feels very bad. Oh, why did my husband do like this? Okay, please take rest and eat something. She feels very sorry for the boys and she asked them to stay back and eat something. Take rest and eat something. This is what wife says. So the boys, they also stay back, they eat and they say, we must leave now. If he sees us here, he would scold us. They act as if they are very afraid of Arjunacharya. They say, no, it is getting late. We have to leave now. If Arjunacharya comes back and sees us here, he would scold us. Okay. So they are keeping up everything, keeping down and they are going back. Now after some time, Arjunacharya comes. But she doesn't allow them. No, you sit down. I will prepare foodstuff for you. She doesn't want these boys to go hungry without eating anything. She doesn't want to go. So she says, you please sit down and take something to eat, take some rest because they have carried so much of burden. So she says, please sit down. I'll prepare foodstuff. You eat and then you can go. So the boys, after eating, they have left. Now Arjunacharya returns after taking bath. So these two boys, they come, they came and they went off. Now Arjunacharya returns after taking bath. Immediately when he comes, this lady, she's asking, Acharya, I didn't know you were so cruel. She is very upset. So immediately she's asking, Acharya, you are so cruel. I didn't know you were so cruel. You know the meaning of cruel? Yes. Very harsh.
Yes.
Very
bad.
Yes.
Very bad.
Very strict.
Mataji, your screen is again blur.
Krishna.
No.
Is it okay? Yes, okay.
Yes.
So she says, Acharya, I didn't know you were so cruel. Now Acharya is, he also doesn't know what she is meaning. Oh, what do you mean? He's asking, Arjunacharya is asking, oh, what do you mean? You were compelling them to carry so much burden on their head. You have even beaten the boys. So this is what she is saying. Now Acharya doesn't know what is happening. So you even beaten one of them and he refused to do so. How you can be so cruel? So his wife is chastising him. Arjunacharya wife is chastising. Why you are doing like this? Then he says, what are you saying? Why would I do such a thing? Arjunacharya has not asked the boys to carry anything. But the wife says that you have beaten the boys, you have asked them to carry. When they said they didn't carry, you have beaten them also. How you can be so cruel? Now Arjunacharya is confused. He said, no, I have not done like this. What is happening? So now his wife explains what has happened. When Arjunacharya heard the whole incident from his wife, he understood what had happened. So what had happened? Oh my Lord, he is thinking of Krishna. Who were the two boys?
Krishna.
Krishna, the other one?
Balaram.
Balaram. Krishna Balaram.
Balaram.
See, so Arjunacharya is thinking, Balaram. Yes. Oh my Lord, he is so great.
Mataji,
Yes, Hare
Krishna and Balaram.
Yes. Oh my Lord, he is so great. He has shown that he actually personally bears the burden and delivers what we need. See, first slide we saw, no? Arjunacharya was thinking how Lord himself can come and deliver. That is why he has striken off that line. And he is writing, he sends somebody and delivers. That is what correction he has done. But now Krishna has proved that he himself will come and deliver. So Arjunacharya, now she is understanding. He actually personally bears the burden and delivers what we need. Because I cut his alphabets, he showed those beating mark. So what was the mark which we saw on the back of the child? Balarama and Krishna, they showed, no? Arjunacharya bit us. He has beaten us. That is what the children told. But what actually Arjunacharya had done? He had stricken off the letters. From this, what we understand? Krishna, in this Kali Yuga, he is in the form of Srimad Bhagavatam. Srimad Bhagavatam verses, they are equivalent to Krishna. Krishna and the verses are one and the same. So when he cut the line, when he cut the verses of Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita, it reflects on Krishna. You understand? Hare Krishna. Kids, are you able to understand?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Yes,
So when he
Mataji.
strikes the words of the scriptures, it is getting reflected as a beat, a line on the backside of Krishna. So he understood, oh, what mistake I have done. So immediately he understands what grave mistake he has done. So what is the moral of the story? Krishna's potency is unlimited. We cannot understand his power by our infinitesimal intelligence. Infinitesimal means very small intelligence. We are living entities, we have very small intelligence. We have just 2 grams of brain. So our intelligence is very small. But Krishna's potency is unlimited. This powerful, Krishna's power is so great. It is unlimited. And with our intelligence, we won't be able to understand. He expands himself to interact with each and every spirit soul personally. So we can't say that Krishna speaks only to Arjuna. Krishna speaks only to this person, that person. No. Each and every spirit soul, if you can speak, if you think you can speak to Krishna, Krishna will come and speak with you. So that faith you should have. Krishna is living in each and every spirit soul as Paramatma. We have seen this, no? Krishna is living in each and every living entity, not only human being, even in an ant, even in an elephant, every living being, Krishna can interact personally with every living being. So this is what is proved from the story. He has come personally to Arjunacharya to deliver the goods which he wanted. So did you enjoy the story, kids?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Can I tell?
Yes, Nandita.
Can I tell something?
Yes,
We
Nandita.
should never cut the lines which Krishna says. At the last, Acharya understood we should never do like that.
Yes, Hari Bol. Exactly. Whatever
Mataji.
Krishna says, we should understand as it is. Yes, yes. Tell me.
Yes.
Priya, we are
Mataji.
best friend.
My dad's friend gift Bhagavad Gita.
Oh, he gifted Bhagavad Gita. Hari Bol. Yes, now Gita Jayanti is coming. December, just 10 more days are there. Gita Jayanti is coming. Everybody have Bhagavad Gita? Those who
Yes,
have not got, please get one from nearest temple. You can get Bhagavad Gita as it is. You can also give them to your friends. You should have Bhagavad Gita in your house. Definitely you should have one. Okay, going forward, we'll see all the stories in Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam also. Okay, if you don't have a Bhagavad Gita,
And we
please
should
get one.
understand what Krishna says.
Yes, Bhagavad Gita is full of philosophy. It is full of, see, it is very relevant to this yuga. See, it is spoken 5,000 years. Hare Krishna. Bhagavad Gita has been spoken 5,000 years ago, but still it is relevant. It is called the life manual. Whatever Krishna has said, whatever problem we have in life, if we read Bhagavad Gita, we can get solutions. Okay. So you try to get Bhagavad Gita. Those who have not got one, during this Gita Jayanti, everybody will be distributing. All devotees will start distribute Bhagavad Gita. So you can get one easily. So next week quiz will be based on this story. Yes. Anybody wants to say something?
Share this on the group now.
Yes, definitely. I will share it. I will share it on. Okay. Hare Bol. Hare Krishna. So now we will go on to the presentation. So this story, at the end of the session, we will see in the words of Prabhupada itself. Before seeing the movie, we will again see Prabhupada has told the story. It's just 2 minutes video. I'll play that video also for you. Okay, it will be just like a revision. Next week quiz will be based on this story. Yes, Nandita.
Mataji, can you show the rhyme?
Yes, we'll go to the rhyme next. Just tell me if you are able to see the screen.
Yes,
Hare Krishna.
Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Yes, what do you see in the screen?
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna
Hare Krishna.
Mahamantra. Yes. So it is rhyming time. Are you all ready to hear? This rhyme is
Yes,
about Vyomasura. See, I want the kids, you recite and send me the audio and video, okay? Will you do it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I want everyone to send me your video or audio. Few of you are only regularly sending. Yashika will be the first one to send. And Freya Vyas also sends. I want all the kids to recite and sing. Shall we hear the song now?
Yes, ma'am. Mataji.
So this is about Vyomasura. Today movie will also be about Vyomasura. Are you able to hear? Music is
Mataji, screen is blur.
Is it okay now?
Yes, Mataji.
Vyomasura was his name, was his name, was his name. Vyomasura was his name, fly in the sky. He dressed just like a cowherd boy, cowherd boy, cowherd boy. He dressed just like a cowherd boy, that was an evil eye. He stole all of the cowherd boys, cowherd boys, cowherd boys. He stole all of the cowherd boys, put them in a cave to hide.
Mataji, the screen is blur again.
He rolled the stone and locked them up, lock them
The
up,
screen is
lock them
blurred.
up. He rolled the stone and locked them up inside the cave to die.
Yes, Mataji, your screen is blurred. Now okay, Mataji.
Now okay.
But Krishna knew his evil plan, evil plan, evil plan. Krishna knew his evil plan and killed him with his mind. He rolled the stone and freed the boys, freed the boys.
Mataji's screen is blurred.
He rolled the stone and freed the boys. Haribo, dear friend, they cried.
Mataji's screen is bloody.
Haribo, 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 Haribo. Jai Shri Krishna. Haribo, Haribo.
Very good. You are not able to see the screen properly.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Did you understand the rhyme? Was the rhyme nice?
Yes.
You know the story of Yomasura?
Yes, Mataji.
Yomasura, he comes and
Mataji.
he acts as a cowherd boy. He mingles with the cowherd boy and he takes away all the cowherd boy and he puts them into a cave. Actually, this cave is still in Vrindavan. When we went to Vrindavan, we saw this Vyomasura cave also. The cave is still there. He put all the cowherd boys into the cave and he closed the cave. He put a big stone, he rolled the stone and he closed the cave. Then Krishna went there and he rolled back the stone. He killed Vyomasura and he freed all the cowherd boys. See, in Vrindavana, all these places are still there. Where Krishna played with the cowherd boys, where there is a place called Bhojan Tali, where he ate with his friends. Still the plate is there. It is so big. And we have the hand impression of Krishna. And we have the Balaram's footprint. Everything is still there in Vrindavan. Okay, so
Mataji, the cave is also there.
yes, Vyomasura cave is there. You have to climb a few steps and you have to go. The cave is still there. So you can still see.
Inside the cave, what's there?
It is all empty now. It is all, most of the things have gone. Only few things are remaining. So when you go there, you can see. I'll try to share the photos. Okay. Okay. So now we'll once again see the rhyme. One more time we'll see the rhyme and then we'll go to the movie. Are you able to see now clearly?
Yes, Mataji. Mataji, can I recite?
Yes, yes. You can recite along with me.
Mataji, your screen is blurred again.
Who wants to recite?
Me, Mataji, Nandita.
Nandita wants to recite. Okay. I'll share it again. 1 minute.
Mataji, can I recite with your help?
Yes, yes. The music will go. You can recite along with that. Okay.
Okay, Mataji.
One minute. I'll just share.
Okay, Mataji, no problem.
Are you able to see now?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Yes, Nandita, you can recite now.
Okay, Mataji. Mataji, the
Was
screen.
his name, was his name, was his name.
Was his name?
Yomasura was his
Yomasura
name.
was his
Fly
name.
in the sky.
Are you able to see the screen?
No, Mataji, it's blur.
See, the first line is see. Vyomasura was his name, Vyomasura was his name, flying in the sky. He was like a bat. He has taken the form of a bat and it's called the bat demon. He dressed us like a cowherd boy, cowherd boy, cowherd boy. He dressed us like a cowherd boy, that was an evil lie. So he dressed like a cowherd boy to cheat the cow. Are you able to see now clearly?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, then he stole all of the cowherd boys, cowherd boys, cowherd boys. He stole all of the cowherd boys and put them in a cave to hide. So he put them in a cave to hide. Then what he did? He rolled the stone and locked them up, locked them up, locked them up. He rolled the stone and locked them up inside the cave to die.
Mama,
what happened?
Saturday.
But Krishna knew this. He opened.
Movie.
Krishna knew this. He opened and killed him with his might. So Krishna, he opened the cave and he killed the demon. Then he rolled the stone and freed the boys, freed the boys, freed the boys. He rolled the stone and freed the boys. Haribol, friendly cry. So all the friends say, Haribol, Haribol, Haribol.
Haribol. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna. So can you sing now? Shall I play
Yes,
from the beginning?
Mataji.
Now the screen is clear for you all? Okay?
Yes, Mataji. Yes. Mataji, again the screen is
Vyomasura was his name, was his name, was his name. Vyomasura was his name, he could fly in the sky. He dressed just like a cowherd boy,
cowherd boy,
dressed just like a cowherd boy. That was an evil lie. He stole all of the cowherd boys, cowherd boys, cowherd boys. He stole all of the cowherd boys in a cave to hide.
Mataji,
Rolled
again
the
the
stone
screen
and
is
locked them up, locked them up, locked them up. He rolled the stone and locked them up inside the cave to die. But Krishna knew his evil plan, evil plan, evil plan. Krishna knew his evil plan and filled him with his mind. He rolled the stone and freed the boys, freed the boys, freed the boys. He rolled the stone and freed the boys, Haribol, friend they cried.
Haribol.
Haribol,
Haribol.
Haribol,
Haribol.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Haribol.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
It was blur.
It was black. Okay, I'll share it in the group. Okay. Anybody wants to sing? Hare Krishna. Preyavyas, you want to sing?
With your help.
Yes. Can I play? You are able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yomasur was his name.
Vyomasura was his name, was his name, was his name. Vyomasura was his name, flying in the sky. He dressed just like a cowherd boy, cowherd boy, cowherd boy. He dressed just like a cowherd boy, has an evil eye.
He stole all
He stole all of the cowherd boys, cowherd boys, cowherd boys. He stole all of the cowherd boys and put them in a cave to hide.
Mataji, the screen is blurred.
He rolled the stone and locked them up, locked them up, locked them up. He rolled the stone and locked them up inside the cave to die.
Krishna knew he
But Krishna knew his evil plan, evil plan, evil plan. Krishna knew his evil plan and killed Vyoma with his mind.
he rolled the
He rolled the stone and freed the boys, freed the boys, freed the boys. Rolled the stone and freed the boys. Haribo, dear friend, they cried. Haribo, Haribo, Haribo,
Haribol.
Haribo.
Haribol. Everybody can unmute and say Haribol.
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 Haribol. So Krishna has freed all his friends. He has freed all his friends. So his friends are happy and they are shouting Haribol, Jai Shri Krishna. So I'll share this in the group. You can practice it and recite, okay?
Yes,
Krishna. Okay, so this was last week's homework. Anybody tried? Names of Srimati Radharani. I have received from Ashika Todi only. She was the only one who had reverted. Anybody else tried?
Mataji,
Names of
can you send it again?
Yes, I'll share it. So this will be this week's homework also. Okay,
Okay, Mataji.
you can try these names. You can just diagonally. It is right to left, left to right, top to bottom, bottom to top, and
You
here are the few
jump.
names.
You jumbled the names of Srimati
Yes.
Radharani.
Yes, yes. See, here is the answer which is given by Ashika Todi. She has written this. You can just round in this. Okay, you have to circle here. Where the name is, you have to circle here. Can you identify any one name?
Mataji, I found one.
Yes,
Mataji,
yes.
Mataji, Srimati.
Gopika.
Srimati, yes. See,
Mataji,
here it is.
Gopika.
Srimati. Srimati is here. Yes. Gopika
Mataji,
is here. Gopika. Yes.
Mataji, Gopika.
Aditya says Gopika. Yes.
Mataji,
Aditya. Yes, Aditya.
Aditya Singh.
Yes. Tell me. Tell me, Aditya Singh. You found any name?
No, miss.
No. See here, Gopika is there. Srimati is here. Here, Radha is here. R-A-D-H-A,
Oh.
Radha. Yes.
Radharani.
Yes. What else is there? See. Gandharvika. Where is Gandharvika? To search for G.
G. Where is the G?
Hare Krishna. Where is Gandharvika? I'm not able to find out. Okay, you find and you tell me where is Gandharvika.
First line.
First line. Yes. Oh, it is in reverse order.
It
See,
is in
Gandharvika.
reverse.
Gandharvika. Gandharvika. It is in first line, reverse order. Next, Gaurangi. Where is Gaurangi? It is also in reverse order in the second line. Gaurangi. Can you see here? Gaurangi. Gaurangi. Yes. Next, Srimati we have Sivan.
Second line.
Yes. Then it is
Madhavi.
Madhavi. Where is Madhavi? Here it is. Fourth line. Madhavi. Madhavi. Madhavi is here. Yes.
Mataji, what's the next one after Madhavi?
What is it?
Kishori.
Kishori. Where is Kishori?
Kishori.
We have to find for the K.
K. Here is one K. There is no Kishori here.
Sixth line.
Here it is.
Ma'am, sixth. Mataji, sixth.
Kishori.
Yes,
Sixth
here it
line.
is. Sixth line. Kishori.
line.
Kishori is here. Yes.
After
Kishori.
that,
Next is Hemangi.
Himangi.
Hemangi. Where is Hemangi?
Ma'am, in third line.
Here it is. Here it is in the reverse order. Hemangi. Hemangi. Can you see here?
Yes, Mataji.
Hemangi. Hemangi is here. Okay. Hemangi.
After that,
Gopika.
we already found it.
Yes, Gopika is here. We have already told that. Gopika. Then
What's the next one?
Raseshwari. Raseshwari. R. Rasheshwari. Where is Rasheshwari? Can anybody find it? Here, last but one. Rasheshwari. Yes,
Rasheshwari.
Rasheshwari. Here it is. Rasheshwari. Next one is my favorite. Vrindavani.
What?
Vrindavani. Where is Vrindavani? In the last line. Vrindavani. Vrindavani. Vrindavani.
Vrindavan.
Where it is, Mataji?
Vrindavani, last line it is there. Are you able to see?
Yes, Mataji.
Vrindavani. It is in the reverse order. Vrindavani.
Okay.
From
It's in
last
the reverse
to-
order.
Yes, it is in the reverse order. Then it is Sundari.
Mataji.
Yes.
I
Here is Sundari.
Sundari.
Yes, Sundari. Here it is Sundari. Top to bottom.
Top to bottom.
Sundari. Sundari. Okay, Sundari is here. Then it is Haripriya.
Haripriya.
That is Haripriya.
Haripriya.
Here it is. I have found it.
Yes.
Haripriya from top to bottom. Haripriya. Haripriya. Yes. Then Radha. Radha we have already seen. Here is Radha. Okay. So I'll share this. You once again try to find and circle them. Okay. All the names also I'll share. You try to find and circle them and you can share me in WhatsApp. Will you do it? This is this week's assignment.
Mataji, we have to write.
Yes, you can take a print or you can take a printout if it is possible. You can just take a photo of it in WhatsApp. Photo you can take and paint. You can just round the circle. You can do it, no? In
Yes,
paint,
ma'am.
you can open it and you can circle it. You know how to do it?
Yes.
You can take the help of your parents and you can do it. You can take a print and circle, well and good. Otherwise, in mobile or system itself, you can do it. Aditya, you want to say something?
Mataji.
Yes.
I don't know what's the running name.
Yes. What you are trying to say, Guru Sai?
I don't know what's the running name.
You want to know Radharani names? Yes, I will share it in the group. Okay. These
Okay.
are the names of Radharani. We saw now, no? Gandharvika, Gaurangi, Srimati, Madhavi, Kishori, Hemangi, Gopika, Rasheshwari, Vrindavani, Sundari, Haripriya, Radha. These are the names of Radharani. There are so many other names also. These are few names. Okay.
Ma'am.
A big Hari Bol to Yashika Todi. All of you say Hari Bol.
Hari
Hari Bol.
Hari
Hari Bol.
Hari
Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
Yes.
Hari
Hare Krishna. So this is The week's assignment is circle the names of Srimati Radharani and you have to sing the rhymes. And one more thing, that sloka you have to recite. That is the main thing. I have not written here. Srimad Bhagavatam sloka. It is very simple sloka. You have to recite. And you can prepare for next week quiz. So this is the sloka. 1821. Shall we recite once and end the session?
Yes, Mataji.
So it is Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya Cha Nandagopa Kumaraya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Krishnaya Vasudevaya
Devaya
Devaki Nandanaya Cha
Devaki Nandanaya Cha
Nandagopa Kumaraya
Nandagopa Kumaraya
Govindaya Namo Namaha.
Govindaya Namo Namaha.
Hare Krishna. So this you can recite daily to Krishna. Okay. So with this we can end our session. You want to see a movie? Or we can close with this.
Movie, आओ जल्दी.
Hare Krishna.